Persons with disabilities in India face a multitude of challenges when seeking employment opportunities in their life.
मेरी शादी 24 साल में हुई थी, लेकिन 1 साल के अंदर ही मेरा तलाक हो गया। डिवोर्स के बाद मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मेरा फ्यूचर क्या होगा। जो लोग सुन बोल सकते हैं उनके लिए कोई भी काम करना आसान है, पर हम जैसे लोगों के लिए वही काम करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। जैसे बाजार जाना, घर से बाहर निकलना, कॉलेज, स्कूल, वो सब हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है। तो नौकरी मिलना तो दूर की बात है।
Understanding the scenario, Diageo India supports Skill Council for Persons with Disability, which operates under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, for implementing a skill development project in Noida, Uttar Pradesh.
I am delighted to share that our industry-first partnership with the Government of India institution, SCPWD, helps mainstream the untapped talent pool of persons with disability in India. Our journey with SCPWD began last year with the mission to train 100 PWD students in the business and hospitality sector. I'm happy to share that together with SCPWD, we will train 300 students in the coming year.
The project aims to integrate differently abled youth from all over India into the mainstream society. It intends to provide training to 100 differently abled individuals in the food and beverage job role.
It is Diageo India's commitment to get as many people who've not had the same opportunities, resources, the right set of places where they could possibly become a part of the economy.
Speech and hearing impaired trainer was selected for this program to train speech and hearing impaired candidates for better synergies, understanding and learning between trainees and trainer.
एक दिन मेरे पास एक कॉल आई और मुझे डियाजियो इंडिया की इस ट्रेनिंग के बारे में पता चला। पहली बार जब मैंने ट्रेनिंग ज्वाइन करी तो देखा वहाँ बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो मेरे जैसे ही हैं और वो साइन लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं।
The center enhances candidates' preparedness for working in industries by providing periodic counseling sessions, organizing industry visits, and several co-curricular activities, ensuring a holistic training experience. The significance of this program can be gauged from the fact that as of now, many trained candidates have secured successful placements in the organizations like Compass Group, JW Marriott Bengaluru, La Pino's Pizza, Royal Orchid Hotel, Taj Corbett Resort and Spa, Tata Starbucks Private Limited, Sapna Clarks in Lucknow, and various other employers.
इंटरव्यू में मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ और मेरी जॉब ला पेनो पिज़्ज़ा में लग गई। मैं एकदम आज़ाद हूँ। मैं अपने परिवार के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट नहीं हूँ। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
Initially, I had few apprehensions. One is that I decided to employ a lady, so I was a little concerned about her safety. And the most important is that whether she'll really be able to gel with the boys. I must admit that all my apprehensions were ill-founded, and Bhavna is really integrated very well. I really want to compliment Diageo that they have decided to, come forward and get them trained. I would definitely want other corporates who have CSI budget, that they should come forward and participate in this program.
मेरे पापा मम्मी को कभी लगता ही नहीं था कि मैं जॉब कर पाऊंगी। मैं अभी ताज पे काम करती हूँ, पर अभी जब वो मुझे इतने बड़े होटल में काम करता हुआ देखते हैं तो बहुत खुश होते हैं। मैं उन्हें फाइनेंशियली हेल्प कर पा रही हूँ तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
जिन्होंने इनको इस लायक बनाया, हम तो इनके जन्म देने वाले माता पिता हैं। बाकी वही उनके गुरु हैं, वही पिता भी हैं, वही माता भी, जिन्होंने वहाँ तक पहुँचाया इनको।
When we have these people on board here, we found that they are not raw. They was very much trained. So they was well aware how things work in the hotels and hospitality sector and different segments. I really want to thank DIGO company along with the training institute.
पहले मैं सोचता था कि जो बोल सुन सकते हैं उनके लिए काम करना कितना आसान है, पर अब मैं भी जॉब करता हूँ, मैं भी सबसे कम्पीट कर सकता हूँ। मेरा एक ही सपना है कि मैं अपने बच्चों का अच्छा भविष्य बना सकूं। मुझे पता है मैं अब वो कर सकता हूँ।
So this is our second year of our association with SCPWD. I think they're doing a stellar job. It's their compassion, their passion and their commitment towards the cause is clearly visible. It is the good work that they've done in the past 1 year in association with us that has encouraged us to take the number from 100 to 300 now.
So Diageo India is one of the leading companies in the country and it's a large MNC. They are doing fantastic work in the realm of training differently abled people in the country. Their training initiatives will go a long way in impacting the lives of people. They have been individuals who have been rejected by the family who have come into the program. And these training programs are building confidence in them. Diageo India, again, a brilliant initiative by them, and I hope more such companies will join us in this initiative.
मैं अब अपने पैरों पर खड़ी हूँ। अब मुझे किसी के भी सहारे की ज़रूरत नहीं है। मैं DIGO इंडिया और SCPWD को दिल से धन्यवाद देती हूँ। थैंक यू।